Hello, welcome to Shiva Tech channel. Today topic is agenda is condition names in Cobol. Okay. Uh, in this, what we are going to learn is what is condition names in Cobol and how to declare condition names in 88 level and where we are going to use these condition names and uh, what are the benefits. Okay. Uh, what are the benefits or uses? Okay. Condition name. Okay. And syntax with examples. Okay, we all will discuss. Okay. Coming to the definition, the Cobol condition names is a condition name, a condition name condition, just a conditional variable to determine whether its value is equal to any value that are associated with the condition name. Okay, this is a simple example. And see one example how to declare the condition name. Okay, using the 88 level. See, so how do we identify whether it is a condition name or a normal variable means while seeing the level number? Whatever the even declaration in working storage section or wherever we see in that 88 level that besides that variable is the condition name. It is not called as a variable. It is a condition name. Okay. So see, let us see what is 88 level. Okay. How to declare this condition name. I already wrote some examples and we'll discuss one by one. Okay. Just I have taken some example here. The WS account open status. Suppose in bank, let us assume in a bank we have applied for to open an account. Okay. Generally they have some there internally they have their own statuses. So I not taken all the statuses. I just taken the very few to understand the 88 level. How we can represent here in 88 is first we need to declare the variable in 01 level won't open status with the picture class. Okay, the value and its corresponding conditions. So the account status can be whether it can be a success, open successfully, or unsuccess, or pending. Okay, or reject everything that we can write. But I just wrote here only the three conditions. So why we need to write here means how we can write is suppose in an input file. Okay, we are reading some file in a Cobol program as an input. In that the record layout is account open status is a field is there. But in that we got the value only 01. The second record, second account number is 02 or third account is 03 and again 01, 02 like that. While seeing this, we cannot identify what is this account open status is 01. Okay, while seeing the file, we cannot understand, right? Okay, how we can understand the business people, the documentation which is having that we need to go and refer. Then only we can able to understand the value of 01 and value of 02. Okay, for that particular field. Okay. So how they why they will use this code instead of account open successful and successful means it's a kind of security. Okay, so anyone can open the file and see the phone number and what is the status. Okay, account number is the status is 01 means people cannot understand what is 0102. Okay, the business can declare define like this 01 account status 01 means status like that. This is one sample example. Okay. Now, in coming to the program, why we use this, we can use while processing the program, while preparing the logic to the program, we can simply use can open status equal to 01, we can do something, open status 02 equal to do something. We can use like that. Then why we need to use these, condition names instead of using these values? Okay, that means if suppose if the programmer knows about the what is the values of 0102, so then he doesn't know, right? He has to go and check what is the value. He need to check with the business what is the value of these 02 and run. So to avoid this confusion, if you declare the values using these condition names, you can easily identify. Okay, if see example, how we can declare is the open status, it shall accept to the value is 2 bytes and 88 level. This one condition name. This is all three belongs to this condition name. These all these three condition names are belongs to this WS account open status. Okay. So whenever we have seen in the program, if the value equal to 0, 1, the value that is success. If success, that means the value is 0, 1. If unsuccess, means the value is 0, 2. If it is pending, that means the value is 0, 3. Internally, program can understand the value of this condition name is 0, 3 like that. Okay. Next. So this is about the way of declaring the condition name. Okay. It must be defined in 88 level with the condition name. The declaration of this condition name is also same like whatever the rules applicable for variable name, it will applicable. But you should not mention this as a variable name. It is a condition name. Okay. See the another example. WS gender. Okay. Picture I declare as a one. Okay. See, I have declared many condition names under gender. You want to refer. Okay. What it refers to valid gender. If entered value is a valid gender, that means it checks whether the value is in between M, F, O. That means it's a valid gender only. Then if valid gender, while writing the program, we want to do logic means if valid gender is fine. Instead of writing if WS gender equal to M or WS gender equal to F or O. Instead of writing all these, you can simply write if valid gender is fine. Okay, like that, if male, that means the value of WS gender is M. If female, F. If other means, you can use it as a O. Okay, this is the way we declared in the program, and we use this condition name while writing the logic. See, if any other developers want to do any changes in the program, you can easily identify while seeing the code itself. Okay, while seeing the code, instead of using this, if WS open status or WS gender is equal to M, this you can easily identify. Suppose if you take this example, if order status, account open status equal to 1 means you don't know, right? You will get confused after seeing this. If account status is success means it clearly telling that its open status is success. He need not to go and see what is the value of 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Okay, this is the one he uses. Okay, just to benefit using these condition names. Okay, this is very simple here. People will used to get confused or feel like it's a difficulty to declare. And all. It is very easy to. We know this concept. People are really very good at declaring this EK condition. To understand also it is very useful. Okay, let us see when real time when we analyzing the program, we used to see this word. Okay, it is a pending. What is this unsuccess? So, but we should not confuse while seeing these words. Okay, okay, this is so this is all about condition names. So let us see one more example here. WS order status. Okay, if order status is have under this variable we have defined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 condition. Okay, see if while writing the logic can simply mention if WS order status if received. If example in the program if is used as if received, do some code logic. Okay, and end if okay. Okay. Generally, we used to see this and we'll get confused. What is this here? Okay, there is no value. If condition right means if variable name is equal to or greater than like that, right? But sometimes we used to see this kind of code here. If received, if valid gender, if delivered. What is that exactly? We don't know, right? That means if you are using this condition directly instead of any doing any conditional operation, then this is the condition name. Can easily identify. Okay. This is all about condition name. Hope you all are clear, right? Okay. 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 Thank you very much for all your support. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.